As Crane as a whole, our role is to support the warfighter. Mechanical engineer for our applications here at Crane means that anytime in our production facility, if something goes wrong, we're the ones that fix it. We do product design as well. Our main product is actually the sonar transducer. It's the sonar equipment that they put on the ships that the Navy patrolmen are on out in the ocean. So this is what they use to do any kind of detection or any kind of surveillance. So it's actually linked to every weapon system on the ship. If we don't do our job right, then they can't see the enemy or the targets that they're trying to hit. It's a sense of pride for me that I actually get to go out and see our units deployed, and I know who it's going to help. It could save a life. I really love what I do every day. It's not only that we have a product, is I know what the cause is for that product. It's to protect our warfighters that are protecting us. So for me, that I just have a great sense of pride in what I do. If we don't do our jobs here, they can't do their jobs to protect us. I have a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering from the University of Southern Indiana. I actually was here through the co-op program. So I worked here for 3 summers before I came on full-time. During that time, I actually got to spend time in different departments. When I went to high school, I went through the technical and academic honors programs, so I got to work in the vocational school. That's actually where I got interested in engineering itself, because I got to take the Introduction to Engineering Design class, which we did a lot of CAD work, and you could actually do the 3D modeling, and that's a lot of what I do now. There are times where you're sitting in math class and you're like, I'm never going to use this again in my life. I thought the exact same thing until I started taking my engineering classes, because all of the information that you learn in your engineering classes is based off of that math. So if you don't have that general idea of what the math is, you can't understand the engineering application. So this is our Pro X300 metal 3D printer. It's one of very few metal 3D printers in the US Navy, as well as the only metal 3D printer. So we'll actually start out with our CAD models, and then we'll put that into the printer software itself, and then the printer will manufacture the part. So what you see when you look at the printers is you'll see the printer will actually be running each individual layer. Over here you can see we actually have our rapid prototyping 3D printers. So these are the machines that we use on a day-to-day basis. So what it does is it'll take that 3D model and it'll slice it at 10,000ths of an inch, and it will build it from the first initial layer all the way through until it finishes. So the benefits to the rapid prototyping part is that a lot of people, even with CAD tools, can't visualize the product. But if we can print it out and have a 3D piece that they can actually get hands-on and see it, it also helps with us to convey our ideas to other people if we need to send something out to a program office or something like that. There are multiple advancement opportunities here at Crane. When you come in, initially you get assigned a mentor, so they can either tailor that mentor to kind of the career path you're thinking you want to go down, or they can actually move you around and you can get experience in different areas. My name is Matthew Johnson. I'm a mechanical engineer at the Naval Surface Warfare Center Crane Division. I currently work in the polymers and undersea sensors branch as a mechanical engineer.